Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make colorful mandala art. So firstly you can take your colored pens and your black sketch pen. Now start drawing the mandala flowers as shown. You can also make circles with your compass firstly for your reference. And here I am using pink, black, orange, purple and red colored pens. You can also take other color combinations if you like. And this is a very beautiful and 3D mandala we are going to make today. And mandala is a very beautiful art form. It is an ancient art form. So try making this beautiful art along me. And if you are new at my channel, then do not forget to subscribe. Also share it with your family and friends. And if you want more detailed parts of the mandala, then you can check out you can also check the mandala playlist linked in the description box. Also visit my blog linked in the description box. And here some designings and patterns are up to you. Like I have drawn some extra patterns which are not necessary in the outermost circle, and you can also draw some other patterns according to your convenience. And if you don't want to make it so colorful, then you can also make it with basic shades or only the black sketch pen. Now we will just add some more highlights using our colored pens, and here I am using flare gel pens. You can also use some other ball pens or different types of pen if you want. Also share this video with your family and friends if you like it. Also comment me down that which type of art form you want to learn. And also check out the canvas painting playlist linked in the description box. Now just draw the patterns along me. And if you want, then you can also color this beautiful colorful mandala art using your pencil colors or the crayons. Now this is the last and the final look of our beautiful colorful mandala. Now it's ready. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. Also share it with your family and friends. Bye bye.